Hello, Teacher Miss H here. I'm going to be showing you how to do a Chinese craft of the double happiness symbol that is used to decorate and celebrate many holidays, including the New Year. First, you'll need to print the template onto red paper. I've already cut one out here. Then you will fold it in half, and then again. And then you'll want to flip it so it's an accordion, this last piece with the template. After that, you will cut out all the black spaces. Finally, I'm done cutting out all the pieces. I take it and pull it apart, making sure the cross shapes are pointing up. And here you have a beautiful double happiness symbol. You can find this in my TPT store in my Chinese New Year close reading pack with games, crafts, and more.